Welcome to Learning Fun with Tails. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1. What is 12 divided by 3? Four. Question 2. What is 18 divided by 6? Three. Question 3. What is 20 divided by 4? Four. Question 4. What is 27 divided by 9? Three. Question 5. What is 16 divided by 2? Eight. Question 6. What is 14 divided by 7? Two. Question 7. What is 28 divided by 4? Seven. Question 8. What is 21 divided by 7? Three. Question 9. What is 30 divided by 5? Six. Question 10. What is 24 divided by 8? Three. Question 11. What is 36 divided by 6? Six. Question 12. What is 45 divided by 5? Nine. Question 13. What is 40 divided by 8? Five. Question 14. What is 32 divided by 4? Eight. Question 15. What is 35 divided by 7? Five. Question 16. What is 18 divided by 3? Six. Question 17. What is 36 divided by 9? Four. Question 18. What is 42 divided by 7? Six. Question 19. What is 63 divided by 9? 7. Question 20. What is 48 divided by 6? 8. Question 21. What is 25 divided by 5? 5. Question 22. What is 36 divided by 4? 9. Question 23. What is 30 divided by 6? 5. Question 24. What is 18 divided by 2? 9. Question 25. What is 54 divided by 9? 6. Question 26. What is 49 divided by 7? 7. Question 27. What is 81 divided by 9? 9. Question 28. What is 60 divided by 10? 6. Question 29. What is 90 divided by 10? 9. Question 30. What is 72 divided by 8? 9.